Good morning everyone. It is 7:30 and the sun is out and it is hot. So I'm going to have to decide what I'm going to do today. Yesterday I had to backtrack from section 9, but the beginning of section 8 is kind of in the middle of the whole canyon area there, so I can't just go there. So I have to go to directly to section 7. So I need to figure it out. But in the meantime, the shower is ready. So time to clean up. Talk to you later. I didn't have any luck the past few days with the sections on the Trans-America Trail. So for today, I decided to create my own section. I looked at the maps, programmed everything in the GPS, and now let's see what happens. I'll talk to you later. Hello everyone, I am done for today. I found a really nice spot for the night. The campground I wanted to go to was full. It was very small. So this is good, really nice here. So today was really good and very interesting in a good way. The section that I made this morning, or I thought I made, right, 40 miles in, I realized that I was merging on the Trans-America Trail. So I was back on it on section 8 that I finished maybe 30 minutes ago, and I am in Utah now. So that's it for today. I'm gonna eat something and enjoy the view, but not the flies. I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Good night. And yes, it was a little dusty today. Nice view.